Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we are going to do a cash unstuffing. I should have a little over $1,000 in my binders in real money. And I don't like to keep that kind of money in my binders, so every time I get $1,000, I try and unstuff and send to the bank and replace it with prop money. So that's what we're going to do today, and we're going to start all over with the cash money until we get another $1,000 and we'll unstuff again. So if you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So guys, I did not want to get my other tray out, so it's going to be done a little different. I'm going to use my small tray, and the money is going to go to the side until I get ready to count. So we're going to start with our sinking funds. I will not be taking my beauty out because I use that every 2 weeks. In medical, we have 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $160. And in that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 will be going to the bank. And I'm going to replace it with, I'm going to replace it with a 50 and a 10. So it gives us 150, 60, 160 in medical. So in my mom's final expenses, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $505. And out of that, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $205 will be going to the bank. And we are going to replace this with a $500 bill and a 5. So it gives her $505. And in our backup, so we have 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 8, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 99, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,000. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. $1,090. And out of that, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. $380 of it is going to the bank. And the rest is prop. So we are going to replace this with 1,000, 100, 50, and 220s. So it gives us 1,150, 70, 90, $1,190. And that is all we're removing out of this envelope. And in our financial binder, our debt snowball, We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 70, 90, 900, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, $950. And out of that, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90 is going to the bank. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 40, $940 in debt snowball. So we have 1,000, 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. So out of that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 is going to the bank. And we're going to replace, put back the 10 and take 100. And that'll give us 1,150, 70, 75, 76. 1,176 in our loan envelope. One month ahead, we have 1,000, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. $1,165. And out of that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90 is going back to the bank. So I'm going to put this 20 back, replace it with 100 and a 10. So it gives us 1,150, 65, $1,165 in our 1 month ahead. In our retirement binder, in our emergency funds, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And out of that, $80 is going to the bank. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And we're going to replace that with a 50, a 20, and a 10. So it gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 70, 80. $980 in our emergency fund. And in our savings envelopes, we also have $980. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 will be going back to the bank. And we're going to replace that with a 50, a 20, and a 10. So it gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 70, 80. $980 in our savings binder. And that is all for this binder. And the last binder that we'll be taking out of is our savings binder, and we are going to remove what we have in there for Christmas. So we have 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, $319. So we're going to remove the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, $70. So we are going to put the 50 back. We're going to replace it with 100, a 10, and a 5. So it gives us 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, 17, 19, $319 in our Christmas envelope. And that is all the money that we will be removing. So let me put my prop money back, and we are going to count up. Guys, you gotta excuse me, I'm a little unorganized today. Okay, let's see what we have. So fam, I have a nail appointment in about 45 minutes. So I'm going to get dressed and get ready for that. And I will come back, count the money, and let you know how much we're taking to the bank. So I'll see you in a few. So hey fam, I am back. I went and got my nails done. So we are going to get into the counting portion of the video to see how much we'll be taking to the bank. So hold on and let me get a calculator. Use my phone. And let's see what we have. So in fives, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And in tens, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700. 10, 20, 30, 730 in tens. In 20s, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. And then we have one $100 bill. So we will be taking $1,130 to the bank. So now we're going to start over. So fam, next week, I think we're going to do the sinking funds in prop money, and we're going to do our cash envelopes in cash. And we'll see how it goes from there on. So I'm going to return this money to the bank as soon as I get through with this video. But if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining our family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.